Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be taking you through my curly hair journey. And boy, has it been a journey. I've always had curly hair, but over the years I damaged it in so many ways. From harsh chemicals, heat styling, you name it. I put my hair through it. I didn't realize how much damage I was putting my hair through until I really started paying attention. My hair was dry, frizzy, and overall just not healthy. And I knew I had to make some changes. So that's how my curly hair journey began. And as I'm talking, I would insert pictures so you can see the struggle and to where I'm at now. I went from always wanting to straighten my hair, always wanted to change my hair color, and every time I changed my hair color, I had to get it bleached. And I was just putting more damage on top of damage. I just did not care. And as you can see, ooh, that was a rough time. So I started doing research about curly hair care, whether it was reading blogs, watching videos, learning anything I can get my hands on how to take care of my hair. And before you know it, I was changing my hair care routine. I stopped using harsh products. I was reading the labels. I was deep conditioning every week, and then I completely stopped using any heat styling. Now, as I was transitioning, this was rough. This was the rough stage of transitioning because I did everything, whether it was a twist out, the 3-strand twist, braid out, anything I could do to try to make it look like it was a curl, because it was just like root with curly and then straight. So now this is how I decided to do the big chop. Now, when I was transitioning, I did not want to, like, I was trying to keep the length as long as I could. But one night, I got up in the middle of the night, like it was around 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, and I literally went to my bathroom, got some scissors, and start cutting all the heat damage off, like all the damage. I was cutting it all off. And if I knew it, it was just all on the floor. And then I went to bed, and the next morning I woke up and I was like, what the heck did I do? So, but it wasn't, it was a good little short little bob, curly bob by that time. So I just went with it. So even with after doing the big chop, I had some learning along the way. It was definitely a trial and error. I was a product junkie. Is there any product junkies out there? Like, raise your hand, because anything that said it catered to curly natural hair, I was buying it. And I wasted a lot of money during this time because because I saw someone that I was following, or I see on a video that was doing what works for their hair, not necessarily will work for my hair. And I found that out the hard way. And then some of the stuff, when I was reading like the ingredients that were in products, I didn't know what they mean. Some of them, I just was like, okay, I need to really research and let's see what I'm really putting on my hair. And then if I know there's a certain ingredient, I'm like, okay, I need to steer away from that because that doesn't work on my hair. Or if they say, oh, no sulfates, paraben free, or all the things they say is no, but then if you look at the bottles, it has some of those things that they market saying that they didn't have. So you have to also be careful about that as well. So that was just things that I had to learn on the way. I did some protective styles, whether it's just doing like braids or sew-ins at the time while I was trying to grow. And then eventually I got comfortable with this this length, and this is where I was okay. I was starting to see like, okay, I can work with this. I can, you know, embrace my natural hair. And slowly but surely, my curls was coming back to life. They were shiny, they were bouncy, they were healthier than ever before. And as my hair started to flourish, I learned to really embrace my natural curls. And I even, that's when I started to truly fall in love with my hair. Now I'm so proud to show off my curls and just embrace my natural. It's been a journey, but it was so worth it. Let me know in the comments, what part of your journey are you on? Are you in the transitioning stage, or are you thinking about becoming natural, or you just did the big chop? Let me know. So some tips I will give you while you're on your natural curly journey. I will say, get your trims. Make sure you keep your hair moisturized, deep condition regularly, and be patient. And just enjoy the journey. It's definitely worth it. If you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you give this video a like. It'll help me out a lot. Well, thank you for watching my curly hair journey. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification for the next time I upload. Bye.